स्पोर्ट्स की लेटेस्ट अपडेट के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाएं।
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I talk about to TLC 2020 prediction. Friends, one of WWE's most iconic matches returns this Sunday at the TLC pay-per-view. Both the WWE and Universal Championships will be on the line in TLC matches with expectations high for both to deliver big thrills. In total, 5 championships are on the line at TLC, including Roman Reigns defending the Universal Championship against Kevin Owens and Drew McIntyre putting the WWE title on the line against AJ Styles. All the action goes down from the Thunderdome inside Tampa Bay's Tropicana Field. TLC will begin at the 21st of December, Monday 4:30 a.m. on Indian Standard Time. 2020 WWE TLC. My predictions are: Women's Tag Team Championship, Nia Jax or Shayna Baszler, vs Asuka or Lana, with Lana being pulled from the match due to Kayfabe injury. There are a finite number of women who can take her place. Friends, I think more likely is that WWE resets its women's storylines as it initially planned before Mandy Rose was injured. I believe Rose or Dana Brooke was supposed to face and defeat Jax or Baszler, with one or both of those women moving into a feud with Asuka for the Raw Women's Championship entering 2021. So with Lana sidelined and Rose back, it makes sense to run an angle with Jax or Baszler taking out Asuka before the match, allowing Adam Pearce to choose a replacement team that gets the job done as initially planned. My pick: Mandy Rose or Dana Brooke win the titles. Next match will be Raw Tag Team Championship, The New Day vs The Hurt Business. The build to this match has been convoluted, with New Day going 2-0-1 in title matches against Cedric Alexander or Shelton Benjamin before the requisite singles victories from Alexander earned Hurt Business another title match. Hurt Business needs the boost of the titles, while New Day is getting a bit boring with the straps on Raw. I'm not sure why the storyline would have run this way if it was not for a change to come at this pay-per-view. My pick: The Hurt Business win the titles. Next match: The Fiend Bray Wyatt vs Randy Orton. Wyatt is on the standard path of facing a rival in a match as himself before the playoff match as The Fiend. Orton was getting the better of the initial match before Wyatt disappeared and was replaced with The Fiend. Then Orton lit a box containing Wyatt on fire only to see The Fiend emerge. Given Wyatt's victories on Raw, Orton would usually get the win at the pay-per-view. But The Fiend is a special attraction and those rules don't always apply. Additionally, Alexa Bliss has been off-screen since Orton threatened her as proof he found The Fiend's weakness. She was actually just off filming for the new Punky Brewster show. This would be a good spot for her to pop back up, cost Orton the match and prove that she is not a weakness. My pick: The Fiend Bray Wyatt wins. Next match will be SmackDown Women's Championship, Sasha Banks vs Carmella. WWE is finally giving Banks a run with a championship after her history of being unable to hold on to the title. It's hard to see that ending at the hands of Carmella less than 2 months after Banks won the belt. Carmella has come off strong through the story, and that's great for the division, because SmackDown needs more players at the top of the women's division. But she's not ready for a title run, and Banks' run hasn't developed enough. My pick: Sasha Banks retains the title. Next match will be WWE Championship, Drew McIntyre vs AJ Styles. TLC match. Styles is a great utility player at this point. You can slot him into any situation and he's a credible threat. That said, it's hard to see McIntyre losing the belt before WrestleMania, especially after he already briefly lost the belt to Orton. This should be an excellent match and could set up a Miz Money in the Bank cash-in attempt. which would also likely fail in the interest of keeping McIntyre a strong champion. My pick, Drew McIntyre retains the title. Next match will be Universal Championship, Roman Reigns vs. Kevin Owens. The simple fact of the matter is that Reigns is the top character and storyline going in WWE right now. It has been an incredible new character that is captivating audiences and making people excited about SmackDown. Reigns will lose the title at some point, but it won't be to Owens at AB level PPV. If WWE follows through with the rumored Goldberg match, perhaps Reigns holds the title for a calendar year until SummerSlam. Owens has been revitalized by this feud, but the change we will see in him may be more of a heel turn than Owens becoming the new champion. My pick, Roman Reigns retains the title. Thanks for watching my video guys, hope you like it. And please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest sports updates. Thanks for watching.